a volunteer, I can tell you it's very pathetic. Stray animals have a safe place when they're found. And what Metro Animal Services adds to that is we keep the strays safe, and then if they don't get claimed by their owners, we can put them into adoption.
What's the best way to support this?
Money. Also, NSMA for, we use fleece blankets, we use towels. All our food is donated. Friends at Your Metro Animal Shelter Group, which is a nonprofit, and we raise money. It's called FAMOUS, Friends at Your Metro Animal Shelter, and we provide dollars to help vet expenses. So if there's a dog that is sick or has a hurt paw, or a kitten that is,
What type of animals do you get?
okay, there's lots of questions. Okay, obviously cats and dogs, you've seen them. Since we're the type of area we service, we've also had some sheep in here, we've had goats, we've had pigs, we've had little pigs, pot-bellied
Yeah.
pigs. We've had rats, pet rats, guinea pigs, what else? Hamsters. We had a whole bunch of birds. If somebody finds an injured bird, a lot of some reptiles. We've had bearded dragon, we've had turtles. So you name it.
How do animals normally stay?
Typically, we have to hold them for 3 days, business days, then we put them into adoption. There are no time limits on how long we keep them here. So we just,